Welcome to Alvin's PPO Dental and Vision Quote website. Here you can get a free quote. Plus, you can also sign up online. HMO plans are not available here. Enter your zip code, birth date and select the next available start date for your plan. Then press the yellow button to get your free quotes. Depending on your zip code, you can scroll down to see a list of PPO dental plans from lowest to highest monthly premium. This is the insurance company, plan name and summary of coverage. Your dentist can tell you if they take this plan. If you need vision coverage, click this tab. VSP is one of the most popular vision plans. Ask your optometrist if they take VSP. Back to the list of dental plans. Delta Dental is one of the most popular plans in California. You can go to any dentist that takes Delta Dental PPO. These are the plan names. Delta has a PPO and a Premier plan. Make sure you select the correct plan name. You can click here to view the plan details. You can read or print details of the plan coverage here. You will see 3 prices: one person, a couple, and the family. Your dentist can help explain the coverage. Click on Find Provider to verify that your dentist takes this plan. You will be redirected to the plan's website to search your dentist. You can search by 5 miles of your zip code, or enter an exact address under location, or you can enter your dentist's name. For Delta, your dentist will tell which network plan they take, PPO or Premier. Do not select DeltaCare USA as that is an HMO network plan. To compare 2 or more plans side by side, click these boxes. Then click the Compare Plans button. Here you can compare plans. You can also download a PDF and send it to your dentist for a recommendation. Click back to Results to enroll in a plan. Once you've decided on a plan, click the yellow Buy Now button. In Step 1 of the enrollment, add your personal information. Click the blue Save and Continue button below. In Step 2, you can add other family members and press the green button. As you add members, they will appear below. The new price will reflect on the right. If you wish, here is where you can add a VSP Vision plan by clicking the green button. Click Save and Continue. In Step 3, choose Payment by Card or Bank, then select a premium mode. Enter your banking information, then click Save and Continue to verify your order. Your enrollment is now complete. You will receive email confirmations and your dental card will be mailed to you soon. Thank you for your attention.